The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, 20 nautical miles, waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds of 34 knots or greater, about 17 nautical miles west of Naples, moving west at 10 knots. As thunderstorms move over the water, mariners can expect strong gusty winds, high seas, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. If caught on the open water, make sure all safety gear is available and life jackets are being worn by you and your crew.